Found an HFS file and Windows won't recognize it? This is an Apple file system image requiring special tools to read on non-Mac systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Apple HFS disk image files across platforms. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional HFS file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. HFS files are disk image files using Apple's Hierarchical file system, the classic macOS file system format, used before HFS+. They contain a complete file system, image with directory structure files, resource forks, and metadata as used on Macintosh, computers, hard drives, and removable media from the classic macOS era. HFS disk images use Apple's hierarchical file system structure, with a volume header catalog btree file, extent btree, and allocation bitmap. The format supports resource and data forks for each file, along with Finder metadata type and creator codes and folder hierarchies specific to classic Macintosh file organization. The standard opener for HFS is known to be Apple macOS developed by Apple Inc. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows shows minimal attributes, so reading or restoring the image depends on a proper disk utility. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the HFS file and choose Open With. If Apple macOS is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If you are still having trouble opening the HFS file, do not worry. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific HFS error. First, opening on macOS. On macOS, double-click the HFS disk image file to mount it using the built-in disk image mounter. The HFS volume appears on the desktop and in Finder as a mounted drive. Browse the contents. Copy files to your local drive and eject the image when finished. Modern macOS maintains read support for legacy HFS volumes. Next, accessing on Windows. Install HFS Explorer, a free Java-based application for reading HFS, HFS Plus, and HFSX file systems on Windows. Launch HFS Explorer and use File, then Load File System from File to open the HFS disk image. Browse the directory tree and extract files and folders to your Windows file system for access. Finally, accessing on Linux. Use the hfsutils package on Linux to access HFS disk images. Install with your package manager, then mount the image using hmount image file HFS. Browse contents with HLS and copy files with hcopy. Alternatively, use the HFS kernel module with mount thfs for native file system. Mounting on supported Linux distributions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.